put the recording mode. Yeah, once again, good morning, all of you. Previous class, we are introduction class. Here, the eukaryotic microbial diversity. Previous class, we are discussing about different microorganism and how to there is classification, how to divide the classification, and what is the main importance of the different organisms like algae, protozoans, and fungals. We're discussing about different microorganism about the different genera. Now, today we are discussing about structural and physiological and metabolic characteristics of algae. Okay, algae. Any example of algae? Anyone? Any example of algae? Anyone? Okay, I will explain the class. Then I will ask you the questions. Okay, eukaryotic microbial diversity of fungi. Today we are discussing about diversity of fungi. The study of algae known as phycology. We know the study of algae known as phycology. Algae are the aquatic plants. They can present in a marine or fresh water. Okay, algae are present in marines and fresh waters and different sea waters also sometimes. The algae are simple and unicellular, non-jagged and sex organ and have no embryogenic development. All algae are present in the kingdom of Protista. Okay, algae, about the study of algae known as phycology. Most of live in water, attached with rocks for the free floating use of their energy required from the sunlight. These are the heterotrophs. Most of the these fungus are algae are heterotrophs. Main food produced in the oceans. The important supplies of oxygen diatoms used in detergents, paint removes, toothpaste, golden algae. Okay, here different phylogenetic groups are there. When we are observing the body form of the algals, these are the unicellular, filamentous, and multicellular. Sometimes, approximately 27,000 eukaryotic algal species are described till date. Okay, here these cyanobacteria are prokaryotic algae. Cyanobacteria and eukaryotic algals are protistans. These are the not true plants. Around 27,000 eukaryotic algal species was described. And prokaryotic algae. These algae are divisions in comes to the cyanophyta. Cyanophyta means cyanobacteria, few blue-green algae, and different red algae. Different many we'll discuss what is the division of algals. Here, different divisions are there like cyanobacteria, chlorophyta, bacillerophyta, rhedorophyta, and photophytas. Different phyla are there. We will discuss in the classification. Here, not the first photosynthetic organism, but ancient, around 3 billion years based on fossil record. It is one of the organelles present in the form of simples. These are the actually few cyanobacteria or few fungals. They are involving photosystems. We'll discuss again later slides. What is the which organism is in play in major role in photosynthesis, and chlorophyll A and psychobiloproteins and prochorophytes. These are the related to species that are possess the chlorophyll A, B, and C, and rich carbohydrates are present into the different fungal strains. We are studying about only all fungals, not only specific cyanobacteria or chlorophyta or rhodophyta. We'll discuss in each and everything. Okay. When we are observing the cell filamentous blue-green algae in cyanobacterium, it is when we are observing the microscopic image, the anabina is a look like a thread-like structure, and some like conidal or colonial cyanobacteriums, they are observing this type of, and nostoc, if the filamentous nostoc was observed in under microscopy, is like same thread-like structures, and filamentous cyanobacterium. Some filamentous cyanobacterium, like example of Oscillatoria cyanobacterium, is a look like of rod-shaped, and here different divisions of eukaryotic algals. Divisions of algals like Rhodophyta is called as red algae. Division of Chlorophyta is called as green algae. Division of Chromophyta is called as Psychrophyta, mean golden brown algae, yellow green algae, diatoms. It comes under this Chromophyta division. And Haptophyta division, Dinophyta division, Cryptophyta division. Different divisions are present in algal species. Okay, here in according to our syllabus, we are discussing about like Chlorophyta, Rhodophyta, Chloromophyta, Bacillerophyta, Phytophyta will be discussed detailed about in later classes. Here, photosynthetic pigment and food reservoirs. The rhodophytas are like chlorophyll A, psychoerythromin, and the food reservoirs are the starch and glycans. They are the linked alpha 1,4 linked. Okay, and chlorophyta, chlorophylls A and B. The main food source is the starch. Okay. Few and another chromatophyta. These chromatophytas are different chlorophylls. These are having different chlorophylls like chlorophyll A, C1, C2, and the main food sources is the like cryoxylamine or different glucans and laminarians. Different, each and every phytas, they are having different food sources. When we are observing the Chlamydomonas, like this structure, here the overview of the algals. They are conjugated, like a reproduction system is a sexual and asexual reproduction, budding, binary fusion, like this. Okay, we'll discuss each and everything later class. The filamentous green algae, for example of Cladophora glamerota, and another green example of Volvax. And here the Volvax daughter colonies is when we are observing the under microscopy, it is appear like this. It is a circular, and it is a budding. After binary fusion, it is a divided two daughter cells. For here, when we are observing the reproduction time, it is a binary fusion or budding like structure. After fusion or after reproduction, it is a divided two daughter cells. Okay, and different multicellular green algae was we are observed in sometimes, like sea lectures and charas and diatoms. And when we are observing the dinoflagellates algae, here the cellulose containing the amar plates that gives them the sculpted appearance. Sculpted appearance. Most of the species found in saltwater environment. Here, sculpted like shape of appearance. Most of these species found in salt waters, like this diaflagellated algae are observed in saltwater environment. These common causes of red tide global bloom. When we are observing the euglenites, the structure will be like this, and some red algals. Here the red algals, they are different examples like Pichia rugosa and Stimatoria nyanadam, and different Porapa nauri. These are the different red algals example of the different red algae. Here, when we are going to like oceans or seas, sometimes we are observing like these fungals. They are formation like formed a thin layer like structures, like ponds and different oceans. We are observing like this, bed sheet like structures. Okay, and some fucus species, and here like this species, it is a large and green color, brown color algae are best example of neurocystis leucaena. Here different benefits of the algal species are there. These algals are used simultaneously used in food for human, which algae is used for food. We will discuss in later slides. And food for the invertebrates and fisheries and maricultures and animal feeds. Few like algae are widely used in animal feeds, and few of the algals are used in fertilizers, soil fertilizers, and conditioner in agriculture. Soil fertilizers and conditioner in agriculture, and many algal species, they are used in water treatment, like sewage water treatment and wastewater treatment, industrial effluent water treatment. These algals are very useful for the treatment of various industries. And diatocuminous and earth diatoms, and some algal species, they are chalk deposits, like few algals, they are uh, phycolides, like agars, ca- carrageenum, from the red algals, and they some like algal species, they are extracted of the different, like alginates, and a few species I will explain once again. Few species, they are widely used in medicinal applications, like drugs and different uh, antibiotics, like this, which which algae is used for the drug preparation. I will explain in later slides. And these are the model system for the researchers. Nowadays, uh, from the algal species, a many wide applications, like nowadays many researchers, they are generating electricity from the algal samples, and many researchers, they are produces the biofuels from the algal samples, biofuels, and different petroleum products and different edible products also. And so that's why we're calling as a model system for the researchers. And few phycobilio proteins for the fluorescence of the microscopy, different applications, wide applications there about the algal species. And determinal aspects of algae, and sometimes blooms and from freshwater algae, red tides and marine blooms, and toxin accumulated in food chains, damage to the cave pigments and frescoes and other works of the arts, and floating of ships and other submerged surfaces, and floating of the shells of the commercial important bevels. Here, red tide bomb is a Prococratum mecans blooms associated with the hurricanes, floods, which ended the dry summer. Uh, which ended the dry summer. The red time bombs is a like surface water slick. This diflagellates, and algal blooms before the and after of the floods of the algal bloom. Here many hazardous also is there about the algal, different health hazardous, like there's some algal species, they are releasing the different toxic to ecosystem, and marine system and human harmful blooms, different many effects is there about the algal species. Few algals are the very beneficial, and few algal species are harmful. And here some red tides, they are causes the different, like aqua system, it damages the aqua system. And these are the releases the different toxins, like neurotoxics, like jellyfish, and paralytic jellyfish poisoning of the saxitoxin, bryotoxin, oleic acid, different jellyfish, they are releases the dominic acid. And cyanobacterials are the some cyanobacterials are neurotoxins, antitoxins, like this, different toxins are released for the different jellyfish and red marines, and sometimes they are causing also in aquatic system, like bird sudden death syndromes, like different diseases causes with the different algal species. Okay, and we are discussing about here only a variety of algal species, and just we are discussing about introduction and what type of like organisms are there. We are discussing till now. Now we are going to discussing about like each and every algal phytas, like here we are discussing, we have a lot of like algal species are there, cyanobacteria and chlorophyta, rhedorophyta, bacillerophyta, and photophytas. Today, according to our syllabus, cyanobacteria in eukaryotic like microbial diversity, we are discussing today detail about the cyanobacteria. Okay, cyanobacteria, it is a very oldest 3 billion years ago. It is a dominated as biogenic reflux. During the protozoic age of bacteria, 2.5 bias and 750 mayas, they were widespread. Then these are the cyanobacterial is the first algal. We are discussing different types of species was studied, but among these all cyanobacteria, the photophyta, the cyanophytas is called as the cyanophytas. Today we are discussing about cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria, the terminology, the division of cyanophyta. Here, cyano means blue, bacteria means, cyano means blue and green, formerly known as cyanobacteria, blue-green algae. Cyano means here blue bacteria. Acknowledge that they are more closely related to prokaryotic bacteria than eukaryotic algae. Okay. Here, cyanobacteria known as blue-green algae. Cyano mean blue, green mean different. We know more closely related prokaryotic. So this cyanobacteria is called as blue-green algae. Here it is a related to like prokaryotic bacteria. Here the cyanobacteria, these are the related to different prokaryotic organism. When we are observing the cyanobacteria, microscopic organisms found here, many cyanobacteria are found in marine sediments and pelagic freshwater lakes and soils, as well as sometimes rocks also. Live in extreme environment, and they are sometimes they are chemically and temperature. Here, importance of cyanobacteria. These are the first organism. Cyanobacteria play very important role in photosynthesis process. They're very important to evaluation of the Earth oxidizing atmosphere. Okay, many microorganisms, they are the Earth oxidizing atmosphere. Evaluation of the Earth atmospheric oxidizing atmosphere. Many cyanobacteria fix and convert the atmospheric nitrogen fixation. Okay, many cyanobacteria, they are converting the atmospheric nitrogen fixation. Very important. Cyanobacteria is a very important because in atmospheric nitrogen is unavailable to most living organism because breaking the triple bond disulfide. These are the breaking the triple bond of the disulfide. Here, cyanobacteria, when we are observing the characteristic of cyanobacteria, cyanobacteria are pigmented like chlorophyll A and proteins. These like different blue-green algae are cycloerythrin and phycocyanins and yellow phycocyanins. These are the food storage as a glycogens, and cell wall are presenting in the amino acids and different sugars. Here, the cyanobacteria are the most important and most diverse group of the photosynthetic bacteria. These cyanobacteria are gram-negative bacteria. They are obligate photolithotropes and oxygenic photosynthesis. Okay, cyanobacteria are the important and most diverse group in photosynthetic bacteria. The cyanobacteria are gram-negative bacteria. They are obligate the photolithotropes and they oxygenic photosynthetic. When we are observing the cell, it is a mucilagenic envelope. Different colonies was appear and different filamentous like uniserrate or multi-serrated filaments, and not through the branching when the trichomes are greater than one in a row. These are the trichomes. Okay, and is a branching. Here the trichomes, they are row of the cell wall. The trichomes are made of the row of cell wall and mucilal sheet. The cyanobacteria, they are trichomes present in the filamentous, trichomes and mucilaginous sheet, layer of mucilage outside of the cell wall. Okay, for example, when we are observing the cell wall structure, the cyanobacteria, trichome and mucilaginous sheet was observed. Here, mucilaginous sheet is different functions. These protect from the drying and involving in the gliding. Mucilage strips are protect the functions that protect the cell from the drying and involved in guideline. Here different sheet is often the color. The red is the acidic, blue is the basic, yellow and brown is the high salt. When we are find out the different algal species, different stretches, red, blue, yellows, like different red algae, red stretch, blue stretch, and yellow or brown stretches. These are the high salt. And feature of heterocyst. features of heterocysts. These heterocysts are the thick-walled cell. Heterocysts are the thick-walled cell, hollow-looking and larger than vegetative cells. And the function of heterocysts, these are provide the anaerobic environment for nitrogen fixation. Okay, the heterocysts provide these heterocysts are provide the anaerobic environment for nitrogen fixation. Here, Anabaena heterocyst, vegetative cells, is a heterocyst, and Anabaena is having a heterocyst vegetative cells. And these are the different habits successful due to ability tolerate a wide range of conditions. These are like cyanobacterials. They are different tolerance like marine, littoral, and pelagic. These are available in fresh waters, hot spring, terrestrial like soil floras. These heterocysts, they are larger than vegetative cells. Heterocysts are the hollow-looking. These heterocysts are the thick-walled. Doesn't allow the atmospheric gas to enter. Heterocysts are the photosynthetically inactive. Number of carbon CO2 fixation or oxygen evaluation. The formation of heterocysts triggered by the molybdenum and low nitrogen. The nitrogen is a limiting nutrient necessary for the production of amino acids. Amino acids of a building block of life of the algal like cyanobacteria. Here, cyanobacteria are play important role in atmospheric nitrogen fixation. We are already discussing about this point, but only cyanobacteria and prokaryotic bacteria can fix nitrogen fixation. Cyanobacteria and prokaryotic organisms, they fix the nitrogen fixation. Of these two, only cyanobacteria evolve the oxygen during the photosynthetic process. Okay, here photosynthetic process is mainly two types: photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. These the cyanobacteria are important of the nitrogenase enzyme involved in the fixing of nitrogen and inactivated by the oxygen. Break down the triple bond of the nitrogen. Triple bond, break down the triple bond and convert to the oxygen. Here the mechanism to separate nitrogenase from oxygenase heterocyst. The cyanobacteria, the main mechanism, separate nitrogenase from oxygen heterocyst. Fix the nitrogen in dark and blue phases are photophosphorylation 1 and photophosphosystem 2. It is found in non-heterocystic cyanobacteria. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Any example of cyanobacteria Pavan. Pavan.
Yes, sir. Blue-green algae.
Blue-green algae. Okay. Here, Bhavani, what is the blue-green algae? Bhavani, she is left. Anjali. Anjali. Gautam, you note down all of attendance. Okay, na? అటెండెన్స్ నోట్ చేస్తుండు ఎవరెవరు క్విట్ అవుతున్నారు నాకైతే పేర్లు తెలియదు అందరివి సో డోంట్ క్విట్ యా అంజలి వాట్ ఈస్ ద సైనో సైనో మీన్స్ సైనో మీన్
Blue-green algae.
no I am asking Anjali only. Anjali, are you there, ma? Hello. Yeah, your voice is not audible to me. Okay, you send the chat message, chat box. Okay, and here Stotra. Any when we are observing the like the main application of cyanobacteria is any application of cyanobacteria are there? Your voice is also not audible to me. Hello. Yeah, Stotra. Any application of cyanobacteria is there? Hello.
Hello.
Any application of cyanobacteria?
Heterocyst.
Ma? Heterocyst?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And any? Okay. Then here the nitrogen, the cyanobacteria are the very important application is the nitrogen fixation. Okay, these cyanobacteria are converting only two cyanobacteria are evolved the oxygen during the photosynthesis. These cyanobacteria, the enzyme nitrogenase involved in inactivated by oxygen. The main mechanism of the separate of the nitrogenase from oxygen heterocyst. Okay, good. The nitrogen fixation in the dark but not light found in the non-heterocyst cyanobacterial. Okay, these cyanobacteria, they are like photosynthesis process in aerobic and anaerobic conditions. So these electrons, like in the enzyme presence of carbon, okay, carbon plus carbon dioxide plus water molecules, they are converts to the sugar molecules like CH2O plus oxygen. The electrons for the photosynthesis 1 comes from to photosynthesis two, which involve the oxygen. Here, the aerobic process, the splitting of water molecule. And coming to the anaerobic, in the presence of sulfur, the cyanobacteria, in the presence of sulfur, cyanobacteria, they are electron donor, like they are combined with H2S plus CO2, they are converts to electron donors, carbon CH2O plus. So the reaction does not produces the oxygen. Here aerobic reaction is produces the oxygen, and anaerobic is does not produces the oxygen. They are produces the like different CH2O, and it is split the different reactions, the electron donors. And many advantages of the cyanobacteria are there. Here, many advantages of the cyanobacteria. Can leave the floating environment of aerobic and anaerobic with the light present, and cyanotoxins in cyanobacteria, neurotoxins like block neuron transmissions in muscles like Enabiya, Oristoloria, and hepatotoxins. These hepatotoxins inhibit the protein phosphatase, causes the liver bleeding, and found in the drinking water, Enabina and Polystyria nastas. And spirulina. Spirulina is one of the example movement. No flagellus or structures are enhance the movement. If when we are observing the spirulina, it is a filamentous and common like with a high pH, and this is the spirulina majorly involved in food for flamingo populations. These spirulinas are food for like flamingo populations, and it is also widely used in commercial food sources. Okay, extract the mucilate jet population gliding. The helix fiber send the waves of concentration of the spirulina. Here more applications of these there about the spirulina. And Enabina. The Enabina with heterocyst, the common emblem of farming species with nutrient load. And Lyngbia martinicea releases the chemical causes the demerits. Here in different cyanobacteria, different species are there like Enabina, Lyngbia, different like spirulina, different species are there. They are play each species they are play important role in the different functions. The cyanobacteria, the like reproduction process. Here cyanobacteria, they are reproductions like variety of mechanism with the respect reproduction systems like binary fusion, budding, fragmentation, multiple fissions. Okay, the binary fission, here the fragments of filamentous of cyanobacteria from small motile filamentous is called as the Harmozonia. Okay, some cyanobacterial species developed the echinites, spilicides, thick-walled dormant, resting cell, that protect the organism in unfavorable conditions. Echinites, they are protects their like cell system in the unfavorable conditions. Here, asexual reproduction, Harmagonia formation, and endospore, echinite formation, fragmentations, and exposure. Here, the Harmagonia, it is a short pieces like here. It is a, for example, spore form of the algae of the cyanobacteria. When they like Harmagonia, they are converted to the sharp pieces from long pieces to converts the short pieces found in the it detaches from parent filamentous and glide away. Bhavani, Bhavani, Bhavani,
Yes, sir.
some echo is there now from you. Please try to mute just yourself. Couple of minutes.
Okay, sir.
Then here it is a harmogonial. It is divided a small species. It detaches from the parent fragments and glides away. And few organism, Polystoria with the Harmogonium. These short pieces of the trichome that becomes detached from the parent filaments. This here the short pieces of trichomes. These are the trichomes. Trichomes that becomes the detached from the parent filament and glide away to from new filament. Okay. Example of the oscillatoria with Harmagonia. Harmagonia means it's breakdown of larger species converts to small pieces. Here, asexual reproduction, it is a thick-walled resting spores, like it is a echinate. Echinates, it protects from the unfavorable condition. Okay, here thick-walled resting spores, a echinate. For example, A is a echinate, and echinate thick-walled resting spore. The echinate main function is the resist to unfavorable condition we are already discussing. It is appear a larger cell in the chain of different from the heterocyst. Generally, lose the buoyancy, like buoyancy or divided. Buoyancy means diffused. Generally, lose the diffuses of the like A echinate, A to H echinate. It will be bouncy, like bifurcation by both the cells. And asexual reproduction, the divided the fragmentation by two smaller pieces. Here, when we are observing the like cyanobacteria, understanding to our easy understanding, when we are visiting the like oceans or different rivers, here the cyanobacteria, they are formed like this with the they are presenting in the rocks as well as these are actually present on the oldest fossils on the different rocks. Here, many applications. Finally, it will be take 1 or 2 more. It's enough. And the applications of the different cyanobacterial species, it is widely used in food sectors. Spirulina are the sold in market due to their nutritive value. These spirulinas, they are having rich nutrients. Spirulina tables are sold all over all the world. The health food with the unicellular cyanobacterium. When we are like Thailand, Japan, and many countries like Singapore, many countries, many Asian countries, they are not only Asian, many countries, they are widely used the spirulina. Very important question for CSIR. Otherwise, any central universities or state universities examination point of view, spirulina question is a very important. Spirulina is widely used for as a health food. Okay, and another species, cyanosis. It is a unicellular cyanobacterium cyanosis species. The another strain PCC 6803 was a third prokaryotic and first photosynthetic organism whose genome was completely sequenced. The first sequenced like strain is the Cyanosepticus species is the first sequenced. Important question. First sequenced organism is the Cyanosepticus species, and it is continue to be a important model organism from extract of Lyngbia. Important again, it is antibiotic can be manufactured. The another algal samples from cyanobacteria, Lyngbia, this produces the antibiotic can be manufactured also. These cyanobacteria may possess the ability to produce substances that could not they serve an anti-inflammatory agent. Few cyanobacteria are act as a anti-inflammatory agent and component bacterial infections in humans. These cyanobacteria are cultured in specific media. Okay, the cyanobacteria are very helpful for the agriculture sectors like nitrogen fixation to soil, and recently previously told the potential application of cyanobacteria to generate the generation of renewable energy via converting of sunlight into electricity. Nowadays, many researchers, they are widely used production of the electricity. It acts as a renewable energy, converting the sunlight into electricity. Currently, efforts are underway to commercialize the algae based on the fuels such as diesel, gasolines, and jet fuels. Many applications are there about the cyanobacteria. Yeah, it is a cyanobacteria. It is a cyanobacteria. I hope all of you understand this about the cyanobacteria. If there is any doubt, please ask me. I will clarify. I think you have chemistry class next class. I'll be leave it. If anybody takes screenshot, please send me. Okay. Any doubts? If anybody doubt, please ask me. Otherwise, if there is no doubt, please leave from this class. So,
Thank you,
anybody
sir.
send me screenshot and attendance along with your names. Amarnath or Bhavani, Akila, whatever, Prasad, Stotra,
Yes, sir.
send me your attendance immediately along with your names. If possible, try to anybody take screenshot, please send me also. Thank you one and all. We will meet again next class with the
Thank you, sir.
Chlorophyta and Bacillophyta. Thank you. Bye bye.